But we want to turn this log into pieces of wood like that. Sometimes a little hard to do. Normally, you'd find a crack like this, a little crack where the wood wants to split, and you put your wedge in there like that, and then you'd hope that it splits right down the middle, and you try and avoid some knots. That's the way most people do it. However, there's an easier way.
Now let's talk about the tools. First of all, you need a wood splitting wedge and also a hammer. I use a small hammer for demonstration purposes, but a sledgehammer would probably work a lot better. Some safety glasses, some hearing protection, and also some leather work gloves.
You can also wear some safety boots.
So what you normally do is you take your wedge and you will make a cut around like this, right around there. There's a log, and that little part on the end is gone.
That's gone. And you'd make another cut along here like that. It's gone. Another bit like here. It's gone. Another little bit here. It's gone. Now this is all that's left here. Now if this is a real big piece of wood, then you'll do some more cuts. Maybe one like that, one like that. Gone. 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 And gone. So now it's much smaller, and then if necessary you can make another cut like that and like that. What you're really doing is just cutting stuff off, and maybe another one like that, another one like that, and then in the end you can just cut right through the middle like this, and that way you get lots of little pieces like this, and you avoid trying to cut right through the middle, which is really hard to do. So you can see the firewood is quite thin. It's thin.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.